Adobe Photoshop is a powerful raster graphics editing software developed and marketed by Adobe Inc. It is widely used by photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists for editing and manipulating digital images and creating visual designs. Here are some key features and capabilities of Adobe Photoshop. 1. Image editing. Photoshop provides a comprehensive set of tools for editing and enhancing digital images. You can adjust brightness, contrast, color balance, and other image attributes. It also offers tools for cropping, resizing, and retouching images to remove imperfections or unwanted elements. 2. Layers and masks. Photoshop uses a layer-based editing system that allows you to work with multiple layers of content. Layers can be stacked, rearranged, and blended together, giving you control over the different elements of your design. Masks enable you to selectively show or hide parts of a layer or apply effects to specific areas. 3. Selection tools. Photoshop offers a variety of selection tools, including marquee, lasso, and magic wand tools. These tools allow you to isolate and manipulate specific areas of an image, making it easier to apply adjustments or perform targeted edits. 4. Retouching and healing. Photoshop provides advanced retouching and healing tools to remove blemishes, wrinkles, and other imperfections from images. The Clone Stamp Tool, Healing Brush Tool, and Content-Aware Fill feature enable you to seamlessly remove or replace unwanted elements in your photos. 5. Filters and effects. Photoshop includes a wide range of filters and effects that you can apply to your images to achieve various artistic or stylistic results. These include blurs, distortions, artistic filters, and texturing options. 6. Typography. Photoshop offers robust typography tools for adding and formatting text within your designs. You can choose from a wide range of fonts, adjust kerning, tracking, and leading, and apply effects like drop shadows or bevels to enhance your text. 7. File compatibility. Photoshop supports a broad range of file formats, including popular raster image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. It also allows you to work with Adobe's native PSD format, which preserves layers, masks, and other editable elements. 8. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Photoshop seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. This integration allows you to work across different software and share assets between projects. Adobe Photoshop is considered an industry-standard software for image editing and graphic design. Its extensive range of tools and features, combined with its flexibility and versatility, make it a go-to choice for professionals working in various creative fields. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.